Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're taking a quick crash course on installing seatbelts to the golf cart. Whether you just want basic protection for yourself and a passenger, or you're putting the cart through a street legal conversion, seatbelts can obviously be essential for safe driving. Here at Golf Cart Garage, we carry a basic level seatbelt like the one I've got here that we'll be installing on our E-Z-GO RXV. I'm telling everyone that it's to protect my kid, but let's take a quick moment to be very honest about who's more accident prone here. This belt style is universal and attaches to any cart by using an existing bolt on a fixed point on the cart that's convenient, or by drilling a new fixed point that works for you if needed. This belt is adjustable, but is also available in a retractable version. Both the adjustable and retractable versions are also available in a street legal level that is already attached to a safety bar you attach to the cart. No matter which belts you choose, they'll keep both front and rear passengers safe depending on the cart and the direction in which they're installed. For our 2-passenger RXV, we found an existing bolt that we can use for the installation here at the bottom of the rear top support strut. We'll simply remove the bolts by using a 15mm socket on each side and then reattach them with the seatbelt grommets installed on the bolts. Now we can make turns and take corners without losing valuable golfers, friends, and loved ones. How about a moment of silence for Jeff? Wear your safety belts, everyone. I don't think there are any ride-sharing services for golf carts yet. Safety first. And speaking of safety, Golf Cart Garage has more safety items and everything you may need to install for a street legal conversion on your cart. We want to tell you all about it in detail, but that's another episode for another day. And you can find more episodes if you follow the link in the video description below. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to outfit your cart today. Our customer care specialists would love to help answer all your questions, provide service, and place orders right over the phone. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.